Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to talk about the American Silver Eagle. Now I've had a number of people message me in the comments of my other videos where I show case these coins and explain how much I like stacking them, and they keep saying to me, you live in the UK, why are you so obsessed with American Silver Eagles? Surely it makes more sense for you to stack Britannias because they're capital gains tax exempt, and surely you can get Britannias for a lot closer to spot than American Silver Eagles. So I just kind of wanted to answer the questions whilst showcasing some more American Silver Eagles. Now, for me, stacking is about a long-term strategy. It's about accumulating as much silver as I can over a long period of time. I'm in my 30s and I look to hold silver for a minimum 30 years. And I don't plan to sell at all. So I plan to pass on to my children. That's my long-term goal. However, if I do have to sell to help with my pension, help fund my pension in the future, then like I said, it will be when I'm in my 60s, which is around about 30 years time. So in order for me to be able to keep stacking for that period of time, I need to make it fun. And if I was to keep just buying Britannias, it would become very boring and mundane. Now, I like getting silver to the closest spot as possible because obviously that's the main goal. But it's about buying silver that you like the look of, you like stacking. And American Silver Eagles for me are just amazing pieces of silver. I really like these Type 1 designs. They're my favourite designs. I love the detail on the back. I love everything about them. I love how they're kind of raised texture. I love the size of the coin. I've done a video where I actually zoom in and show you all the detail, and they're actually, for bullion coins, they're actually so detailed. I love the Walking Liberty. I just love everything about it. It's a really nice coin. Those of you that stack American Silver Eagles, you'll know how nice these coins are in the hand. They look even better in hand than on the videos. And like I said, for me, it's about buying silver that I like the look of. If I was to keep buying the same silver over and over again, I wouldn't be able to stack for 30 plus years, and I'd become very bored very quickly. Now, I go through certain stages. I went for a stage and the silver maple was my favourite coin, and I kept buying tubes of those. Then I went for a stage and I wanted to get as many Britannias as I could, so I started buying monster boxes and tubes of those. And I feel like the stage I'm going through now is I've fallen in love again with the American Silver Eagle, and that's why you probably noticed in my last few videos I've been picking up quite a few of these. I know they hold a premium, but like I said, because I plan to hold for such a long period of time, that premium won't affect me anytime soon, if at all, because I'm not planning to buy these and flip them on for a quick bit of profit. I'm planning to buy them, enjoy them, add them to my long-term stack, and kind of just let them grow in value over time. So I hope that answers the question why I keep buying American Silver Eagles. It's just I really like the coin. Yes, they come with a bit of a premium. However, the premium doesn't seem to be too high in the UK compared to the premium that people are paying in the United States. So that's another reason why I'm not too fussed to keep picking these up, because they're not extortionate premiums, especially when you get them on the second-hand market. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section of the American Silver Eagle. Do you add this coin to your stack regularly, or do you prefer to get rounds or your country's bullion in order to stay capital gains tax exempt? I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.